How to use loops and samples in Soundation. First of all, let's talk about loops. In Soundation, the loop option is located in the top toolbar. To use a loop, simply click on the Loops tab. Next, select a track and adjust the length by dragging the upper right corner to the right to loop it, or to the left to shorten it. This allows you to repeat the loop seamlessly without manually copying and pasting it. You can disable loop by clicking on the loop option in the toolbar again. Now, let's move on to samples. Samples in Soundation can be found in the sound library. To add a sample, click on the Sound Library tab, browse or search for the desired sound, and drag it into the timeline. Once added, you can trim, loop, or apply effects to the sample to fit your track. This flexibility allows you to customize the sample to suit your project's need. You can also upload your own sample by dropping it into the plus drop sample to create instrument box. Make sure the sample is under 30 seconds. Now, you can easily adjust various settings along with the loop option. And that's it. Now you know how to use loops and samples in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.